Hey team, thanks so much. Many hands make light work. So we're going to see if we can work together so that it can make it easier on the summer team and, of course, our teachers. So what you're going to do is go into the 8th grade curriculum folder, as you know. I'm just going to show you what kind of the before is. If right now you go into your folder and you go to Unit 8, you will see that it's got all the lesson plans just kind of floating there randomly. So to clean things up just a little bit, what we've done is kind of make it look identical to 6th and 7th. Is we've gone into starting with Unit 4 because Unit 1 through 3 are being redone. If you hit on Unit 4, you see I've gave each lesson its own folder. So that way it's easy, it's clear, and it's ready to go. So if you go in lesson, let's say 3, you'll click on the lesson, and immediately, if you go into the folder, all you may see is just the lesson. What I need you guys to do for me is for whichever ones you were assigned, if you can go click on the link or whatever that source is, if you can put it inside this folder, that would be very helpful. So you'll just open up this folder. I'll do it again. And any links in the lesson plan that you see, any of those links that are Google Docs, if you could just put them in the folder right beside it, so that way it'll link, it'll be right there, and everything will be accessible. Once you have done and put those links in there, I also need you to transfer ownership over to me. So when you go to share, you will see, well, right now I'm the owner, but it would list you in the source and you transfer the ownership to me. If you can do that for each one of your lessons, that will be helpful. 8th grade has the most lessons. So if we split it up, that would be much better, and it would be much easier for the summer team. I took the quarters out, as you can see, and it's just going to go by units. So that way it looks a little more identical to other grades. So let me take you to 6th and 7th grade so you can kind of see what the model is. So you see, if you go in 7th grade, they have a nice tidy 8 units. When you go to their Unit 1, you see there's their Lesson 1 by Study Social Studies. You click on that, and anything that's in this lesson plan is right in the folder right here. And then I own this and all that's in here with the folder. Sometimes even just transferring ownership in the folder doesn't necessarily transfer ownership for the links inside your lesson plan. So if you could do that, that would be great, as they say in the office. In any case, April 29th is going to be our deadline for this. So if you can get started on that after break and you've been rested, that would be greatly appreciated. Have a wonderful day.